Here I am at the headquarters of the Dürr Group in Bietigheim-Bissingen, close to Stuttgart in Germany. The Dürr Group is famous for its market-leading mechanical engineering solutions for various industries. With its plant expertise, the group implements digitization in those industries in a very targeted manner. In the so-called digital factories of the Dürr Group's brands Dürr, Schenck and HOMAG, more than 800 employees develop solutions in order to provide machines with intelligent software to network the plant, its machines and IT. Its purpose? Implementing smart factories.
Ulli, what do you and your colleagues do here at the Digital Factory?
When we're talking about a digital factory, you have to think of some kind of think tank that covers the entire process of software development in order to produce a holistic product that covers all customer needs.
What is a well-known digital product you develop?
One of the most well-known products right now is the product family of DXQ Analyze. With these tools, we are trying to support our customers analyzing their own data.
We have two focuses. One focus is machine control platforms, human-machine interfaces, focusing on the usability of the machines. That's done in the digital factory in shop floor. And the second focus are digital apps and assistants, and those help our customers to improve their production and their efficiency.
Currently we are working on our digital brand called Schenck One. With Schenck One we have the most innovative product in the balancing industry, which gives the customer the opportunity to maintain the whole process from the office processes to the shop floor back to the office processes.
Tell me, what is your job all about? Give us some insights into your daily doing.
My job is product owner. Together with a small product owner team, I'm fostering the vision of all of our products in the digital factory, bringing the business and market requirements to our Scrum teams and moderating our review meetings where we gather back the feedback from the stakeholders.
I'm coordinating all the requirements and everything regarding my solution area self-adjusting machine. I'm talking to different business units. I started here, I was at a digital factory at Dürr, and then I got this opportunity offered to develop here at HOMAG in the digital factory, and I took it.
How is your digital factory organized?
Actually, the digital factory is a virtual organization with the goal to realize a consistent product portfolio for our customers. Within that organization, we work in different agile Scrum teams with a different product focus that gives us a lot of flexibility.
Are there any synergies to the other digital factories of Dürr and Schenck, and if yes, how do they look like?
For example, the infrastructure on which our products are based is managed centralized, so all the requirements are handled there.
What do you think makes your digital factory successful in general?
We love what we do and we have the expertise we need. We have the expertise from the hardware machine development to the machine software development and the cloud development. Therefore, we have a bundling of every expertise we need to bring innovative products to the market.
How would you personally summarize your job here at the Digital Factory?
I'm quite often surprised by the diversity of things that I'm dealing with in my everyday work, which I think personally is good because it keeps us going into the right direction and pushes us forward.
The whole team loves what they do, and it's not only said by me, but you feel it every day in your day-to-day work. Yeah, you feel this spirit in the whole Digital Factory, and this is what makes this job the most exciting to me.
Exciting. Every day different, no minute being boring, and I totally love my job.